Hi friends, welcome back, and this is Susmita from Indian Beauty Queen channel, and in today's video I'm going to share some foundation tips and tricks for long lasting makeup. So without wasting any more further time, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. Tip number 1. Cleanse your skin. Here I am using oil deep pore cleansing milk. Take cleansing milk on cotton pad and cleanse your skin. Before applying makeup, cleansing is the most important step for long lasting makeup. I like this product very much, but you can use any facial cleanser that suits for your skin type. So after cleansing your skin, you can feel lot of difference. It's very clean and fresh. Tip number 2. Toning. I'm using rose water as my toner. Actually, I have already exfoliated my skin in my daily skincare routine, so I'm directly applying toner with the help of a cotton. I'm just wiping it all over my face. Toner helps to maintain the pH balance of our skin. Tip number 3. Moisturize your skin. Here I am using Himalaya baby cream to moisturize my skin. Hydrating your skin is very important before applying makeup. So take some amount of moisturizer and massage it deeply into your skin. If you are having oily skin, then use lightweight moisturizer. So after following these steps, wait a minute, let your skin breathe before applying your makeup. Tip number 4. Now it's time for applying foundation. I am using Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation and a Unit Vitamin E Baby Oil. So I'm mixing my foundation with baby oil. If you don't have this baby oil, then you can also use vitamin E capsules. Don't add too much of oil, just add 1 or 2 drops, that's it. And mixing it very well. If you add more oil, then it may become more sticky, and after few minutes it greases your skin. So add just 1 or 2 drops and mix it well. Dip a beauty blender in water and remove excess water from the sponge. Now dot the foundation on your face, all over your face and neck also. Don't neglect your neck. It's also very important, because if you want your face and neck to appear in the same color, so with the help of a damp sponge, just I'm dabbing it, and do not wipe it off, just dab it. So using damp beauty blender gives you natural coverage to your foundation. So after dabbing it on my face, I'm again dabbing it on my neck also. So you can see how natural the coverage it has given to my face. Tip number 5. To cover dark circles, just take your regular foundation and any BB cream. Now I am mixing the foundation with BB cream. So now I'm mixing together very well. You can see how thick the consistency is, and if you want extra coverage you can also add some baby powder into this. Now I am applying this on my dark circles around my mouth, chin and on my nose, and blending this with the help of damp beauty blender. So use the tip of the beauty blender. It will be very easy to cover your under eye dark circle area, and blend it around your mouth, nose and eye area. And you're done. And the final tip is, set your makeup with any baby powder. Take some baby powder on back of your hand, and with the help of powder brush I am applying it on my face, and concentrate on areas where you're especially on oily areas like under eyes, nose, chin and forehead, and applying this all over my face and neck. It's better to use a powder brush to set your makeup. Applying more powder makes your foundation cakey and results in dry patches. So this completes the foundation tips and tricks. Hope you like this video, and if you found this video to be helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.